So, hi my friends and my seniors guys, welcome back to this another video. And from this video, we are gonna talk about something important topic. So from today's video, I am gonna talk about like a most important thing that you must know, you must listen. What is the thing? So for many days, after many days, I will just make this video for you all, or because there are some reasons of my problem, so that I can't able to make video. So that's why I say sorry to everyone. So now, guys, I wanna tell you the most important thing that I face, that I know this thing. So benefits for reading. We just think one thing that for to make a perfect person, so we just have to just discipline ourselves. We have to discipline. We just have to discipline our life. So then we can easily be a successful one in our life. So in that time, I'm gonna talk about for to become a successful one, you need like a good mark and enough mark for to just do something better in your life. So for to just answer you all of the questions, so they have a lots of problem you face. I also face whenever we go in the exam hall. So in the time also, we just do lots of hard work before going to the exam hall, and in that time also, whenever we go to the exam hall, so in the time we just solve the question paper. We can know the answer, but we can't write the answer. So what is the problem and why we can't write the answer properly? So in this video, I'm going to talk about, because this video is going to be a most important. So we all are just thinking about one thing, that we can't able to just write our all of the answer. So we just leave our answer. We can't do anything. We can't complete our paper. So in the time we just and after we give our all of the question, we feel the guilty. So we can't complete our question answer. So why we can't complete our question answer, we don't know. So in the time, what do you just think, what do you feel? So there have the one solution that you know, that is the reading. And whenever you just read your books stories, so in the time you just also just can get the main answer, main topic, main thing of a story. Like for example, of a story, there have lots of character. So in that time also, if you just read the story properly, like 100 times, 20 times, so in the time you can easily just answer all of the questions. So I also just feel, when guys, I also just when I just start my reading, so in the time after, I can feel that I know the answer of the answer I know. So in that time, I also feel that now it was the right way for to complete and for to know all of the answer, all of the question and answer. So it was a very good, if it was a very easy way for to just complete your question and answer, and for to just to learn you all of the thing. And whenever you just read a story, so you just have lots of benefits. That benefits is like that, whenever you read a story, so in the time your stock sentence will, you can get a stock sentence. So whenever and when you just read a story, so you can also, your speaking skill also develop. And whenever you just read a story, so you, all of the french also develop. So always remember one thing, whatever you do, you just must have to read a story. And if you did not read a story, so you can't able to just become uh, you can't able to become a speaker, motivation speaker in your life. Because we all are know this time, English language is a sounding like a wine. Every time, everywhere, English is followed us. So in the time also, we need to just know the English language. So in the time, it was a very important time for to complete your English speaking. So guys, always just remember one thing, whatever you want in your life, so you have to just work alone. You have to just focus on it, and you have to be disciplined. If you can't be disciplined, if you can't discipline yourself, so you can't do anything in your life. Because discipline is the key of your success. If you just discipline yourself, all of the thing will automatically happen, and your all of the step will very valuable part in your life. Just always discipline yourself, and always just try to read a story. Because story is the most important thing that I know, you also know, and we all know. Story is the most important thing that ever in this time. So if you just guys like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I don't take this video very long, because for a long time after a long time I just make videos, so sentence will just not come in my mind. So don't worry, some days it will, again I will come back. So now guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next more important and interesting video.